Presenting the Dodge 2018 Challenger RT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Quick Order Package 24X TA392, TA package, auto-stick automatic transmission, 1-year Sirius XM Guardian trial, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, HD radio and integrated center stack radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.